Good afternoon. I think it's the first time in this vlog series that I'm doing that I've said good afternoon instead of good morning at the beginning of the vlog, but it's probably about 1 or 2 o'clock right now, and we are currently in Mt Rainier. Quite a big difference from Olympic National Park. We woke up there this morning and I just didn't really feel like vlogging, so here we are 4 hours later of driving and we have arrived in Mt Rainier. It looks really beautiful. We haven't really seen the actual mountain volcano Mt Rainier yet, but the surrounding forest and campsites and the rivers here all look very incredible. So in saying that, we have claimed our camp spot for the night, really just taken over. Also, we have enough space to put a washing line, which is nice for today. Yesterday, unfortunately, we left it out overnight, so everything got damp again. That was kind of my bad, but at least we got a campsite with a little bit of sun, so that's nice. So we set up the hammocks and we've just been chilling out for a little bit. We're gonna have some lunch and then probably just go do like a short hike or walk or see some scenic things. We'll see what happens, but that's the plans. How you doing?
I'm weirdly tired. Like, we slept really well last night and all we did this morning was drive here, but I'm tired and I'm itchy. Fucking rash.
Yeah, I'm also so, like, I probably slept for 10 or 11 hours last night and I still feel so tired.
Yeah, you slept way more than I did.
I don't know why. I'm just so tired. I planned to do a workout this morning on the beach because it was just a nice place to do a workout. I was like, I'm going to wake up at sunrise, go for a run, do a nice workout. And none of that happened. I woke up and I was dead still. And even now after driving, I just feel like so exhausted. So that's why I was like, let's just go get a campsite and chill out for a bit and then we'll go do stuff.
More nutrients. Like, I truly think that we need to, like, eat better.
Yeah, that's true.
Because, like, what did we eat today? Like a croissant, some banana bread, and like pita chips all day. It's 2 o'clock.
True.
And we didn't even have coffee. Like,
yeah, that's the thing. Another thing that's kind of difficult when you're on the road is like eat properly, but it's also really important, like just as important sleep is.
I think that if you were in like a van, like if you had van life, like you have a kitchen, like
it's a lot easier.
Like if you're driving, like I can try and cook while you're driving, or like we can just pull over and like it's all set up already, whereas for us we have to like unpack everything, like build a kitchen and then cook.
Yeah, whereas in the morning, like we normally just want to get up and go and like make way, make time so we could get to a campsite early, make sure that we get a campsite. So it's just difficult to balance and manage everything, but we're doing it. We're still alive, so that's good.
Yeah, I need to shower.
Just tired
and dirty.
What
you doing?
Taking a shower. These are our camping showers. Not too bad. This pressurized shower system is like okay. It works like half the time. So there's this foot pump here. It's called the Nemo Helios pressure shower. So you have to make sure that that's properly pressurized. And then, yeah, you got your hand shower and freezing cold water. It's great. Glorious.
I told you. You can't blame me now.
Now that I feel a lot fresher and a lot cleaner, it's time to go explore a little bit. Dinner is served. Steak and peppers and onions. Yum. Camping steak.
It's beef so good.